revolutionary space-saving ice cube maker that can replace as many as 10 traditional ice cube trays. Ice Genie is easy. Just fill and chill. The secret is the unique double-chamber design. The outer chambers freeze the ice cubes, while the airtight inner cylinder holds them until you're ready to use them. Just lift out the inner cylinder and empty the cubes into the bucket. Then just refill and freeze again. Ice Genie can hold up to 3 batches of ice cubes. That's 120 ice cubes at a time. Wow! No more overcrowding. Save a ton of space in your freezer. Take off the lid and now you're ready to serve the whole party. Ice left in open trays starts to smell, but Ice Genie's airtight lid keeps your cubes fresh and odor-free. Even fancy refrigerator ice makers run out of ice or get clogged up. And to get ice out of trays, you have to turn and twist. But just press Ice Genie's flexible chamber and those cold cubes pop at your command. Put on the spill-proof lid for easy storage. When you're finished, just rinse or toss in the dishwasher, then fill and chill again. And look, slide your favorite drinks into Ice Genie to keep them chilled for hours.
Introducing a revolutionary sleep tracker that does so much more than monitor. The 8 Smart Mattress Cover, the first of its kind. Fits seamlessly onto your bed. No need to wear it or remember to charge it. 8 listens, records over 15 factors of sleep data, from deep sleep and heart rate to room temperature and noise, and 8 responds. It sets a smart alarm to wake you lightly. Warms each side of your bed individually, and naturally integrates with your lifestyle, including Nest and other smart home platforms.
Could installing a security system to your home, office, or business really be as easy as screwing in a light bulb? The innovators at TovNet decided it should be. With years of development and design, they've created the TovNet Light Bulb Security Camera, which can be installed in any light outlet to immediately begin recording your premises. The light bulb security camera has a 120 viewing angle that can be adjusted 360 degrees and is motion activated day or night. The camera is equipped with a backup data storage system in an SD card, and the data can also be downloaded via Wi-Fi to smartphones or computers. A dedicated app allows you to check your cameras throughout the day. Not only does the camera record video, but there's a two-way audio element that can both record noise and project it into the area remotely. The light bulb security camera can even send you an email alert when motion has been detected. By using a compression video technology, you don't have to worry about running out of space for your security recordings. So how does it work? The unit is all-in-one and requires no extra installations beyond placing the TovNet light bulb security camera in a compatible light socket. Once installed, it's simple to get it working with your smartphone app or custom remote control to have the security of your home, office, or business at your fingertips.
NEMA was created to reimagine the way people manage food allergies both in and out of the home. My daughter Kate suffers from food allergies and sensitivities. We tried to limit her risks. We read labels, researched brands, even asked endless questions to restaurant staff. But even when following every precaution, there were still lingering uncertainties, especially when Kate went to birthday parties, when we traveled, or in any situation that I couldn't control. most existing tests are lab kits, which means they have multiple parts and take precious time to receive a result. There was nothing on the consumer market that could bring real-time peace of mind. Until NEMA. Developed by MIT graduates, NEMA can detect allergens at parts per million level. Parts per million, or ppm, is a term used to describe an extremely small amount of something. Imagine this ink is an allergen. Place a few drops into the water and it dissipates. The eye can't see it, but NEMA can. Simply fill a disposable capsule with a small sample of food, then screw the lid shut. NEMA grinds the food and mixes it with the chemistry inside. Then the proprietary antibodies seek out and attach to a target protein, like that in gluten or peanut. NEMA's test strip develops, and in only a few minutes, your answer is clearly displayed on the front screen. It's an added piece of information when and where you need it most. The result is also communicated to the NEMA app using Bluetooth technology, so you can track your test history and share with the community. NEMA's team has dedicated their lives to making the food world transparent and safe. So if you want to be sure that pasta salad is actually allergen-free, just as you ordered, let NEMA take the first bite.